Hello, and welcome. Oh, you know what? That does not look so sharp. Hang on, just touch it on the screen. Try and get it to do it. I'm going to press, I think, you know what? I was so worried about the display. I forgot to read the instructions. Okay. Okay, F1 joystick. Alright, let's see what we have here. It's a make race. The basics of this are, of course, kill those little guys. Hopefully before they go ballistic. I'm not the best one when it comes to starting and stopping. Ooh. And I still think the VIC-20 version is far superior to the 64 version. You basically have 4 shots, and as long as those shots are alive, you can't shoot anymore. Okay, this is actually going pretty well, but it will change, I'm sure. Because it gets progressively harder. I'm gonna die. See, this is where I'm not good at doing, well, I got the level, but I'm not good at doing the adjustments on the directions and other things on this. Oh, that went pretty well. Ooh. Pretty fine. Now it's going to get worse. There's going to be more stuff here. And we're going to start to go faster and faster and faster and convert faster and faster and faster. And I just keep shooting. Ooh. This is pretty fine. And more mines appear. I think I'm in trouble. I know I'm in trouble. Yep, I knew that was not going well. See, these little mines are now in my way. Okay, that was pretty close. And they keep dropping more mines. Just keep shooting. Keep shooting. Oh my word. I don't think I've ever done this well. Ever. But I'm dead now. Am I done? Is it over? Nope, it's not over yet. Ah! Okay. Game over. 116,950. From what I remember, I have never done that well. So, that's enough of that. And I'm going to try another game. There's the demo. And perhaps I'll play again later. But that, I'm sure there are people who've done much, 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 much better, but I don't think I've ever done better. This is also, by the way, one of the things I'm doing to test this Commodore 64, see if things are working, and they do seem to be working. So thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for coming. Bye for now.